good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. I hope you're having a good one. I'm going to go ahead and do my kit lineup. This is for some reason the fattest kit lineup that I've ever had. I think it's because there's a lot of indecisiveness and a lot of, you know what, I'm just going to do that on the fly. So this is a print pression B6 planner rings with the print pression sticker sleeves with my little kit lineup stickers. And I do have 2 kits per week because I have a filming planner, which is my print pression rings A5 wide planner. And then I also do have an Erin Condren that I just vibe with and do on the daily. So the first kit that I always show you, the one that has the sticker on, is the one that I'm planning to use in my ring planner. And I say planning because things change. People change. You know what I'm saying? Because this was already in a lineup, I'm pretty sure. This is the Cyber Monday mystery from last year. And I'm pretty sure this is, it doesn't have like any specific, like, it's an anytime kit. I guess that's the best way to say it. And I just feel like anytime is anytime. And then sometimes things happen and I'm like, oh, I want to use this kit. So then it gets moved. So basically I have this here, which was the Groovy bundle that I did with Hannah. And then I also have the solid underlays, and this is all in the flower, pink flower, hollow or whatever it's called. And then I was figuring I can mix and match, and I'm not like 100% sure what my energy is gonna be for the week, because I feel like also like this on its own is cute, or I could do like these together. I just don't know. Or I could do all 3 and be wild and crazy. But just so you know, I have the ultimate kit plus everything. Well, this was like the bundle, right? And then it's so cute. I have the Groovy bundle from my shop in the like gold waves along with the Groovy quotes. And then I also have the lemongrass foil bundle confetti 2 from my shop. And I just feel like all of them really work really well. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just do these 2. But also maybe I'll just do this and you'll just do this. I don't really know. I feel like all of them are like, this is going to be a reoccurring problem this month, is I feel like they're all good. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So we'll see. We'll see how the cookie crumbles. I feel like it's not an Andrea video unless I say something about cookie crumbling. I say it like 16 times a day at minimum. So then I have this kit here, and I don't really care too much about the 4th of July, but I thought this art was really pretty, and I mostly just wanted to use these foil colors with it. So I'm using this in my non-filming planner, so I have like all the extras. I have the ultimate kit. It is American Babe. I also have the Erin Condren bottom washi cover-up. I have a video on how I use that. I also, for foil, have this here, which is the, now I'm rethinking things. Because I also do have stars. And I feel like stars might be like the move. Because I just use stars in my off-camera planner. Because I have shimmer here, right, in the mixed metal. Because I think that just came out and I was like, ooh, what a great idea. But I feel like stars. I have leftovers. Plus I could grab another bundle. I feel like stars has to happen. I don't know if I have any extra. This is what my problem is. Is my mic on? Yeah, okay. Hold on. Please. Here's all my foil bundles. Stars. I have confetti. I have stars. I have stars. I have a bunch of them. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm going to switch that out. Not because I don't like the shimmer, because the shimmer is so pretty. My desk also, it used to be nailed together and now it is not. So I'm going to go and put that shimmer away. It's like all going everywhere. Okay. So I'm going to put the shimmer away and I'm going to use the stars. I don't think I'm going to need the extra like this, but I'll just leave it in there just in case. You really never know. And then as far as my custom multi, I don't do custom multis for this because I just do like the scripts after, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just have them all made. I don't know what I'm doing here. Actually, I should have scripts somewhere. Where I put those? I don't find them. But anyways, so I have custom multis in the like star font in Lavender Hollow as well as black. So I have options. I also have the ones in the kit. I also have plenty of scripts otherwise, so I'll make it happen. Now I'm like confused. I unpacked my bag yesterday. Oh, maybe it's like still in my bag. That makes sense. Okay, then July 8th through the 14th, I have Poolside. This is another one where I just, why not do it all? Okay, so I have 3 foil bundles from my shop. I think this is Ice in Confetti version 2. And then I think this is Malibu possibly, which is like an exact match in Confetti version 2. And then I have this, which I think, I don't know if it's called like Hot Gold or like Orange or something like that, but it all looks good. And then I was like, oh, I think grid would be fun because of this grid. And I was thinking about possibly doing the grid with these bougies like over top of it. I think that could be fun, or even under it. So it's like a little splash of color. Haven't fully decided. Might just stick to the bougie, might just stick to the grid. But I have it in there because it's like a vision. It's a light vision, and we'll see if it comes true. Then I have this kit here. I was going to say if I ever go to Hawaii, but like that might be in 10 years. So this is Surf's Up. Have Ultimate with all the extras, the Erin Condren bottom washi cover up. And then as far as fun things go, I have these from Hannah. This is the Hibiscus one in, I believe, lime and light pink, possibly. And then I just pulled out some like silver things. So I actually like don't have any Confetti version 2 silvers or like Confetti version 1 silvers in my possession at home. So I have the bows. I have a Confetti version 2, which I have all this a la carte you could always pick up to like add to things or have for like situations like this. And then I have 2 of the, it's like the light, daintier, not heavy Confetti version 2, or Confetti, how do I keep saying version 2? Confetti full box overlays, and then like the light Confetti header overlays. And then I have the Font 2 silver custom multi from Hannah, and then I just have a plethora of like quote boxes from my shop, so I think that you could still get these ones, and if you look up like summer foil, it'll be there. And then this was like a freebie, / I might have sold it, I don't really remember honestly, but I think it's in the freebie bin currently. So that's the plan for that one. I'm not like obsessed with the whole thing, but it's like it's doing its job currently. I'm not also obsessed with what I picked for this week that I'm living in, but you know, it's just the way that it happens. Then I have the Rugrats kit. I'm using this for the week of July 15th to the 21st. I think that's gonna be very, very cute. Is this the week of Kane's birthday? It may be. I don't really know what my plans are for all of these weeks. I think his week's the week before. Is there a reason why I was using this kit? Probably should switch these. I feel like this feels more Kane than this. This doesn't feel like anything important. So we're gonna switch this. I think I already had something else here and then switched it out. Okay. We're gonna use this for the week of Kane's birthday because why not? I actually might switch these then too because this feels more Kane than the Hawaii one. Though Hawaii reminds me of Kane. I've been to Hawaii twice with Kane, so we're gonna, right? Yeah. So we'll leave that. And then that could just be vibes. Okay. Rugrats reminds me of Kane. I feel like he's like quintessential 90s baby with me. And then as far as foil goes, as far as fun parts go, I have these. I have Chaos from Hannah and Sprinkles, both in like last month's foil of the month, as well as Confetti Purple. And I was just going to get Chaos because that reminds me very 90s. But then I saw the Sprinkles, and I feel like the Sprinkles match this like pattern here a lot. And I was thinking I can either do just Sprinkles, just Chaos, or I can mix and match if I'm feeling like super wild, you know? So I got those. And then I also was like, okay, I feel like I need a core with this. So I just picked up Sparkly Hollow. I got the sprinkle headers. We'll see what I end up using. I thought the birthday bundle would be really cute. Now thinking about it also that it's Kane's birthday is cute, but I feel like if I just don't use the balloon ones, I feel like this like stars, swirls, and like starbursts does look very 90s. So I have that in Sparkly Hollow, as well as if I decide that I don't like that. I have this like old chunky Sparkly Hollow confetti situation that I can just pull stuff from. And there's actually some new stuff in here too that I just decided matched with it. So another one that's going to be left to the vibes, you know. She's thick. Okay. Then I have the Malibu Girl, which I just really wanted to reuse this kit because it's just so pretty. I'm like a fan of reusing kits, especially because I feel like my planning style changes, so they always look a little different. Erin Condren 15 millimeter cover up situation. And then I have a leftover bundle of the mixed metal locks, and I figured I could use this along with, I have some mixed metal old stuff and just kind of like pick and choose. Might also just grab another luxe bundle or like a mixed metal bottom washi. Haven't decided yet. And then I do have, I don't know what color, what font I want to use. I have font 10 and then I have font 2, silver and gold. So we'll see. It's another going to be a big old game day decision. What bottom washi is left in this one? Oh, it's the thick one. So I'll probably use the thick one and then use the confetti and call it a day. We're really just shopping the stash with this thing. Also, because I wanted to get a video up today. Well, a video up tomorrow, but for you today. Because I was like, I really want to have 5 videos up this week. So normally I do my kit lineups a little later in the month, but I was like, let's just finish her up. I have enough stuff here, and I've ordered enough stuff. I could figure it out. Then I have Beach Day, and I decided again to be a little bit wild with this, and I have the Happy Checker from Hannah in, is this called Olive? And maybe ice. I don't really know. But they're like the matte blue and the matte like greenish something. But I thought that those looked really good. Like I feel like that green color matches pretty well to this green color. And then this blue color matches blue like to this blue color. So I thought it could be like cute. It's like a different vibe than initial. And then I have matte silver here. I have a bunch of extras and this thing. Bow, but I was like, I don't know. I feel like also matte bronze would look really good with this. I don't have any, just let me pull it out because we're already here. Here's matte bronze. Maybe you could help. I feel like the bronze is a little darker and more like saturated than the like sand colors in this. That's why I feel like it almost is like very cool tone and needs the matte silver, but you let me know what you think. I'm leaning towards the matte silver if I'm being honest with you, but that's my vibes for that one. I think it'll be cute and simple but pretty. And then last but not least, I'm going wild and crazy with this one. So this is Summer Zest, and I have the ultimate, all the extras. I have the Erin Condren 15 millimeter cover up, but also I decided, I don't know. I decided this is the option. Okay, so I decided that I don't know if I don't think this is matte bronze. I think this is like, yeah, this is like olive. I'm going to have to pull out like a red foil bundle to go with this. I'm sure I have plenty. Like, I think this is sparkly red. Yeah, this is sparkly red. So, yeah, I don't know. Again, I'm just like, this is the journey that I chose. So I have the plaid one from Hannah in the sparkly red, or pixie red. And then I have this. I don't think it's matte bronze. It's the other one. You know what I mean? The other one. It matches like perfectly to this green color. But I figured I'm going to layer these. I have the Liney font, which is font 10 in that same foil. And then I was thinking that I just do like a red foil bundle and omit the red color from the kit. And I also have the red Liney font. So in case I decide that's the option. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It might be wild. But I think it could be cool. It could make it kind of fun. I don't know. Could be a mistake. But, you know, it's a planner. So it's not a big deal. The one this week, like I said, I'm using, I don't really know if I like it. I don't know if I like the combo. It's like the kitchen-y brunch groovy, and I did like the sparkly tangerine. I'm not sure if I like it, but you know what? It's just my planner, and I'll just flip to the next week and be done. So I'm so congested for absolutely no reason, except for the whole bad allergies in Austin. That's everything for this month. Let me know if you have any opinions, if you think that I might need to advise something based on the fact that I just did this quickly on one random night, and I might have made a mistake that I just don't know. So let me know. Thank you for watching. If you made it all this way, leave me some kind of summary emoji because it is for July, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.